A personal loan that does not require the borrower to offer collateral to secure the loan is known as an unsecured personal loan. Although interests on these loans are inevitably higher, they can be useful for people who need money urgently. They are also one of the best options for someone who needs a loan but cannot offer collateral. The typical maximum value of an unsecured personal loan in the financial world is $15,000. There are some companies that are willing to offer unsecured personal loans for higher amounts, however. There are also no restrictions on how the money you obtain through an unsecured personal loan is to be used. You can use the money for whatever purpose as your wish. Unsecured personal loans are often used to consolidate other unsecured debts. By doing this, the total interest that you will have to pay for the unsecured personal loan will be lower than the total interest on all your other outstanding unsecured loans. Also, since you will only have a single outstanding loan, you will only have to make a single monthly payment, which will be lower in value than the combined monthly payments of all your other loans. Unsecured personal loans typically carry high interest rates due to the lack of collateral to secure the loan. Without collateral, the company is taking a larger risk in lending you the money, and thus it must compensate for this by charging you higher interest. Also, if you default on your loan payments, your credit report will deteriorate severely. All these are the methods by which the company helps to lower the risk of loaning you money without any collateral to secure it. If you have an account with a local bank, you can also approach them to obtain an unsecured personal loan. Of course, you should only do this if your bank is offering the lowest interest rates for unsecured personal loans. Different banks will often offer varying interest rates for the same type of loan, so it will be worth your while to do a comparison between the interest rates available at all of your local banks. There are some online websites from which you can obtain unsecured personal loans as well. This is an even simpler and easier process than obtaining a loan from a bank. However, you have no assurance that the website is legitimate. One way of reducing the chances that the website you are visiting is a scam is to check with the Better Business Bureau to see if it is legitimate. If you're unable to find any information on the website in question, then it is best for you to avoid it. If you have no collateral to offer in return for a loan and you're in urgent need of money, then perhaps it is time for you to consider obtaining an unsecured personal loan. Although the interest rate may be higher than that of secured loans, at least you will be obtained the money you need.